And with President Trump's diagnosis, we take a look at the possible health challenges he faces on the road to recovery. Fox 5's Andrew Nomura talked with a local doctor about today's news conference and what challenges may lie ahead for the president.
News of President Trump contracting the coronavirus is sending shockwaves across the world and even here in San Diego.
It seemed overall what they told us is that it seems that he's doing okay at this point.
Dr. Michelle Ritter is the clinical medical director of infectious diseases at UC San Diego Medical Center. She, like millions of other Americans, watched as White House medical staff gave details on the president's condition. A couple of details stood out, including an AP report that said the president was given supplemental oxygen in the last couple of days. She says that raises some concern because most people can recover on their own at home.
For us in the medical world, generally that's a time when it signals us that a patient needs to be hospitalized because their respiratory status is such that they're going to need that extra oxygen to do well.
The president's age is also a factor that shouldn't be taken lightly. The severity of the disease, she says, usually increases the older you are. The biggest question she has, when did the president exactly catch the virus?
People generally become contagious 2 to 3 days before they show symptoms. So when you have someone show symptoms 3 days ago, that means they were actually contagious about 5 to 6 days ago. So it's a very tricky illness that you become contagious and sometimes most contagious before your symptoms even show up.
The next couple of days are critical because there's a potential of biphasic illness.
So there's some people who get COVID-19 who start off with a set of symptoms and they slowly improve over time, or they might change a little bit. But there's a group also that around 7 to 10 days can have an acute worsening of their symptoms. So they might be kind of going along, doing fine, not having many respiratory difficulties at all, and then suddenly around 7 to 10 days, they can get markedly worse.
She encourages the rest of the country and the world to remain diligent and protect themselves.
I think this is an example of how anyone can get it, even the President of the United States. And so we've really, really got to be on guard and be very safe and wear masks.
For the latest updates on the president's condition, head over to our website, fox5sandiego.com. In Hillcrest, I'm Andrew Nomura, Fox 5 News.